Okay, hello everyone, and welcome to a new webinar provided by Centurion Invest. This is your host Rami Kamar. So to start off with, I have signed into our website, which is Centurion Invest. So when you sign in, you will have this account overview. You can see everything you have from fiat currency to crypto. So, for example, you can see how much you have in dollars, in euros, USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, any coin. Uh, I will briefly tell you about Nikon, which is a coin backed by nickel. It has a very good project, and the most important project of all, which is the CIX. It is our native token. You can earn huge returns just by buying CIX. First of all, it is scheduled to do a 3 to 4x in the upcoming year, and you can earn up to 50% like APY on your investments. So it's a huge opportunity. Let's talk about the student plan, for example. We have many products. So let's talk about the student plan. You can invest $10,000, and you will have $500 fixed monthly income for 3 years. So this will actually pay the tuition for any student. If you have a kid, you can subscribe to this and you'll have some fixed monthly income. Lastly, I will talk about the products, the vouchers that you can buy through Centurion Invest, everything related to BN, Apple Card, Amazon, um, Minecraft, Netflix, PUBG, everything you might think of, you can find it here and buy the gift card. You can buy it for yourself or give to someone. So basically have everything on this website. In case you have any questions, you can press this button right here and uh, choose to talk to one of our representatives basically. So whatever anything you might have, anything you might think of, you can send a message and we'll be ready to respond. So now let's talk about some analysis. Guys, let me remove the drawings first. We can see that Ethereum has been on a rise for the past 2 weeks. It went from around 900 bottom. Now it's 1,500, so around $600 plus. We can see that it has three big weekly candles, um, which is basically driving the price upwards. Now, if we want to talk about target, we will use the Fibonacci, and this is mainly the Fibonacci for the last drop. So what you can see here is that the first level that we will target is around 1,750, 1,800. So this is the range right here, which is the basically the 38% retracement. Now, basically, what Ethereum plans to do is a 50% retracement, which will make Ethereum go to 2,100 or 2,200. But given the circumstances, given the economy, given different factors, I don't think it's going to do 2,100, 2,200. It may do like 1,900 with a wick almost to 2,000 and then come back right after in order to continue this bearish trend that we have, which is something like this. So this is basically what we have for Ethereum. We can see the trend line also around the 1800 to 2000 level. So you can see something like this, basically, then bearish and then bullish. And then here we can take our short entries for at least $1000 target, something like this, and even below, targeting 800 and below also. So this is the long-term projections for Ethereum. Now let's look at the intraday, which we like to do at Centurion Invest. So basically, yesterday we had this range on Ethereum. I did a fake breakout first, which let everyone go into a long, then went down, uh, moved some stop losses, hit some stop losses, and actually went back up again from this level, which is 1450, did a huge spike till 1630, 1640, and now it's back again below. Looking at the daily candle, the yesterday's daily candle was very, very bullish. Um, yes, so yesterday's daily candle was very bullish. I think today we'll continue our bullish momentum unless something major happens, but I don't think there's anything major today. So what we're seeing today here is this mini channel after this huge pump. So expect something like this in order to fill this gap right here, or this range, let me tell. So we have a target of at least 1610. Um, Entry around this level after the breakout. This is what we have for Ethereum, guys. Uh, Intraday is bullish, weekly is bearish, so be careful. If you want to take longs, always take profits and do not hold longs for much. Now let's talk about Bitcoin. Okay, so let me adjust this level because it has been breached a bit. So this is basically the level that we are talking about now. So 15 minutes chart, it's clear that this level was a previous resistance level right here, and before that right here, right here. It broke this area here on the first red zone. It retested the area here and then retested it again right here. So we have this also this channel. We have this channel also that we basically is somehow close to Ethereum's channel. Um, Given the intraday momentum, I expect something like this also to fill this gap right here, or this range, let me say. So guys, this is basically Ethereum and Bitcoin. I will analyze also Solana. If you have any questions, guys, shoot it in the comments so I can see it and reply. Okay, so for Solana, let me look at the 4 hours chart first. You can see that Solana, let me move this. Okay, so you can see that Solana actually broke this trend line up, retested it here, and continued back up again. It had a resistance level right here at 42.5. Basically, we can see the resistance right here. It uh, it rejected the price. It went down to 39.5, and then sudden big pump in the markets happened. This is the pump that also happened on Ethereum. Uh, so basically, it happened to the whole market. Uh, what we can see here is that Solana is a bit more advanced than Ethereum. It had already broke the range right here. It's currently retesting it, and I can see that it will do something like this. And the target would be around 46.5, or let's say 46 to be conservative. So a $2 trade on Solana is something good, not something bad, around 5%. So basically, these are the trades for today, guys. I will be monitoring. Stay tuned to our Telegram channel. We will be sending updates. We will be sending everything. So be sure to stay tuned, guys. If you have any questions, shoot it and let us do some analysis. See the Bitcoin dominance is way down, guys. This is the time for alts. As you can see, Bitcoin's dominance is going down. It may go up to the 41.35%. uh huge huge week for alts, huge week to make money. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And okay, so Safa wants sand. Okay, so if you remember from the last webinar, I drew this trend line. I told that it will break up, retest, and then go back up again, and this is exactly what happened. So as you can see here, sand broke up from the trend line, retested it right here, and then continued back up again. Basically, sand is not seeing that much of the volatility. More of the volatility is going into Ethereum and Solana, so you must be careful with sand. However, the return that it has done is amazing. It's around 40%. Like we said exactly. Let me look at the daily chart again. You can see it better right here. So if you remember this trend line that we drew, it broke up here, and now going back up again. You can see also that this was a range. It's currently retesting this range. It may go down to 1.32 and then at least target 1.5 right here. So this is our target for the week. And that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And if you have any questions, shoot it to anyone and we will help. Thank you, guys.